Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Cadillac Escalade and I'm going to show you how to open the door panel. This is a passenger side door panel. First we're going to remove cover. Use a straight screwdriver. The reason we remove it, so there are two bolts 10 millimeter, and then we're going to remove behind the door handle, and that's another bolt we're going to remove. That is also 10 millimeter. So once we remove these bolts, this is the bolt we've taken out. So there is another one, we're going to remove that, and we're going to remove one from the handle. It's always easier to use a plier tool or straight screwdriver. So remove this panel and we're going to remove the electrical connection. Put it back. If you look at here, it says white, black, brown and black. So now we're going to try this one out. We're going to put our hand at the bottom. And these has those push pin tabs, and keep trying out. We're going to remove this one, pull the small piece, and once it's open, comes out. And now pull up. Once you pull up, then the whole door panel assembly comes out. And now we're going to take that wiring out. This is the back of the door handle, the cable. Use a small screwdriver and just press that and pull it out. Now the whole panel has been removed. One more wiring for that small light, we're going to pull that. So that's how you remove the door panel. And now we're going to put the door panel back in the reverse order. And I hope this video will help you out in your DIY project. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. And for more auto videos, please click on the bell notification. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.